How's your home? Will your home be okay this fall without any maintenance? You tell me. In this video, we will explore tips for your home. I call it Fall Home Maintenance Tips, preparing your home for autumn. Hey there, peoples. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to kick off a two-part series on preparing your home for the fall season. So the leaves are pretty. They're starting to change color and all that, and it's nice, but you really have to get your hands a little dirty or call a pro to help you, okay? So in this video, we're going to focus on the exterior first. You'll definitely want to clean up those gutters and downspouts to prevent clogs. Been there, done that. If you've ever seen what your gutters look like, it is yucky, okay? You also want to inspect your roof for any damage or loose shingles. I've only gone by my roof once and it was scary, so call a pro. You want to trim overgrown branches, overgrown. Yeah, you don't want to have one of those branches in your window when it's a very windy day. No, Gabby, don't want that. Don't forget about your lawn. Remove all the fallen leaves to avoid a slippery mess. Been there, done that, so just break that up. If not, call a gardener. Fertilize your lawn. Next up is definitely you want to keep that lawn, encourage some healthy growth for the spring. And you want to plant some flowers for a burst of color. I've been stuck on these red flowers on the outside and I'm loving it. These are definitely some essential fall home maintenance tips for your exterior. Stay tuned for part 2 where we're going to go indoors to make your home cozy and comfortable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home related content. Thanks for watching. Till next time. How's your home? Will your home be okay this fall without any maintenance? You tell me. In this video, we will explore tips for your home. I call it Fall Home Maintenance Tips, preparing your home for autumn. Hey there, peoples. Welcome back.